Hi, this is Christina Hills from the Website Creation Workshop, and in this video I want to teach you about this plugin, Media Library File Size. So this is a very handy plugin to find out where and which are the largest images or files in your media library. So coming over here to my WordPress site, I can look at any one of these images and I can see the file size. So I can step through and I can see the size of the image. But what I would like to do is have an easy way to see the file sizes and have them ordered. Now I do have a plugin called Smush which does reduce file sizes, but that's not what I'm talking about here. What I'm talking about here is I want a way to sort these and see which are my biggest files. So I'm going to install Media Library File Size. So I'm going to come over to Plugins, add a plugin, and I'm going to type in Media Library File Size, and this one, it looks like it's the same one. I always check the author and I look at the active installs to make sure active installs I got the right one, so it matches. So I'm going to go ahead and click install now. The reason why I do that is sometimes there are multiple plugins that have similar names. So I'll go ahead and activate this. And now you will see this little thing that's telling you to click me. So I'm going to show you what happens if you miss that and you don't do it. So I will come back and click this. But when you initially install it, you definitely want to go ahead and click this to index your media. So here I can see the file sizes, but if I click on file size, it comes up empty. And it will come up empty if you haven't clicked to index the media. So that's very important. See, by itself, if I click the media library, I'm seeing the sizes, but they're not sorted in order. So I want them sorted in order, and the way you do that, now notice that little red icon reminding me to click this has gone away. So that's just the thing you just need to remember to do is click Index Media. So that's going to build a table. So it says I've re-indexed these down here at the right hand side. So now when I click on file size, I can see, okay, this is the smallest, and I can see the largest. And what I have here is a MP3, so that is the largest, but I've got these other images. Here's a video, here is a PNG, so this is really big. So now I can move forward and I can work on reducing these file sizes. So this is very handy. In fact, I forgot that I had this MP3 in here, so I may decide that I'm going to delete this. But that is just a quick demo of how Media Library File Size works and how convenient it is to see on this screen. Now if you're in the grid view, you won't see it. You won't see the file sizes. You have to be in the list view, and then you can see how all your big files, and then you can decide if you want to go in and make them smaller. So that's it. That's how you use Media Library File Size. This is Christina Hills with the Website Creation Workshop.